I'm going to show you two different ways of getting information into Excel. Okay. One is really quick, but you won't have a copy of the SAS dataset itself, or well, you won't have it as a file. Okay, so you'll have to copy paste. That's probably the easiest way to doing this, which is, you select exported data, right, from this node. So now we have data in both train and validate. Okay. Now browse. Okay. And then you go to the label here, row label, right? Right click. Okay. And then say export to Excel. Okay. So now we have the data exported, and you have all the original data, and then we have the predicted values and the residual. Okay. Now this is for train, and then again select validate, browse, right, and then from here do right click, export to Excel, click yes, and then now you have that. Okay, so that's one way of doing it, very quick. Okay, and then of course you can save the file. It's a temporary file right now, or if you want permanent, okay, so you can use save data. Save data node, right? Save data node will save these files in SAS format. So suppose if you want your exported data, okay, to be saved as SAS data sets, then you can do that. So all rows here means both train and validate and test. If you have data in test, it will save that as well. Okay, and you can specify a library name here, in which case the files will be saved in that library, or you can select a folder. If you do a directory search, then you can specify a particular folder where these files will be saved. Okay. And we can give a file prefix. So Boston Housing, right? So the names will be, now we have two data sets, right? That is train and validate. So you have two files, and Boston Housing will be the prefix. So Boston Housing underscore or dot train will be the first data set, and then Boston Housing dot or underscore validate will be the second data set. But what we want to do here is to change the file format. Okay, so here these are the other file formats that are available to us. So you say Excel spreadsheet. Library works only for SAS dataset, not for Excel. Forgot that. Okay, so that's why that is dimmed. Now we have to specify a folder. Okay, so now we run the save node. Alright, so let's see here. So there is this Boston Housing underscore train. Okay, now if you open that, you will see the same data set. So on the end you have the predicted P underscore med V is the predicted value, predicted, and then the residual. So the same data set, but the column labels are slightly different. Okay. But other than that, here the labels are variable labels are used here the variable names are used here, but it's the same thing. Okay.